Hi everyone, you're welcome to Cysed on the street. My name is Tobi Mayanna, and with me is
I'm Ummul.
Ummul. Khair. How are you doing today?
I'm doing alright. How are you, Mayanna?
Very well, thank you. Ummul, do you know what this week is?
What's this week?
Normal DPW now.
You have started again. What's DPW?
Normal Data Privacy Week. Yeah, so it's the National Data Privacy Week, and do you know what the theme is?
Try me now.
All right, so Ummul, what's the theme for the Data Privacy Week?
This week, the theme for this DPW is going to be take charge of your data.
Yeah, you got that correctly. So this month, we're talking about taking charge of our data and our data privacy. So Ummul, I want to ask you a question. Do you think people actually take data privacy serious in Nigeria?
Nah, we just click on terms and condition.
We just click on it. You still read it.
Do you read it?
Don't worry, I'll let you know at the end of this video. So, but that's why we're out here today, to find out from people. So let's go and hear what people have to say about data privacy week. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, come along. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be on your own permission if you're okay with that. Oh.
Thank you.
Wow, getting people to actually talk about data privacy seems to be very more difficult than we have anticipated, probably because it's not a trending topic. But as fate will have it, we finally found someone to actually talk. Guess what? It's my namesake.
What's your name?
My name is Tobi, actually.
Oh, it's my namesake. Yeah. All right, so great stuff. This week is the data privacy week, so we just want to get people's opinion about what data privacy is all about. So, what's data privacy to you?
I mean, like you said, like I think it's in the phrase itself, data privacy, keeping your personal data private, making sure it's not susceptible to being used for nefarious purposes.
All right. So a quick one now. Have your data, like you provided a data to an organization or a body, has it never been used for anything malicious or something against your own will? Have you ever been in that situation?
Not necessarily, but I've been in situations whereby companies that had my data got hacked.
Whoa, yeah. Okay. So how did you feel about that? Did you feel your data was exposed? What was your own reaction when you had that, okay, that company got hacked and your data was with them?
Honestly, my first thought was to try to reset any passwords and try to see what the potential fallout could be.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, even if they apologize or maybe even get a refund later, the damage is already done. So you have to try to stop the bleeding, I guess. If that's the right word.
That's actually quite sharp, man. That's quite sharp.
That's the first thing.
All right, so now I just have 4 questions I want to ask you. So I want to know if you have been in that situation before, because Nigerians most times we are just falling within that time frame, or should I say those things. Now, do you read terms and conditions before you click accept?
Not every time, to be honest.
Not every time.
Yeah.
All right. So have you ever dropped your phone number or your account number for a giveaway online?
Never.
All right. So in celebration of Mother's Day, Father's Day, have you ever I drop your mother's name, probably unintentionally online just to celebrate her?
No, never. Social media is not that serious.
Okay. All right. So the last one is, have you ever gotten a message from a loan shark app that one of your persons is owing debt, or rather you were called that someone is owing a debt or something?
Text, yes. Call, no.
Okay, text. You've gotten a text about that. So what do you feel about that? Is that the right way to go out in terms of data privacy?
I think it's unethical.
Okay.
But I think the companies will make an argument for, well, that's what they signed up for. But I believe it's unethical because it's very embarrassing. It's very demeaning. I don't patronize such companies, and thankfully I've never had the need to do that. But yeah, it's very demeaning.
Okay.
And I've seen people involved in such a, and it's because I've seen them literally make up lies about people just to kind of embarrass them into paying the money back. At the end of the day, a lie is not going to bring money out of thin air
at all.
So what is wrong is wrong. So yeah.
All right, great stuff. Thank you very much for your time. I really do appreciate it. So please just tell them Happy Data Privacy Week.
Happy Data Privacy Week.
Thanks very much. All right. So now you've had that from Tobi. So he's quite very knowledgeable about this stuff. Like he has said, the first thing to do when you discover a data breach is just to change all your credentials ASAP so that everything is now safe. Because if you leave it like that, if you just go hack, you collect everything with your account. All right, peace and love. Let's go find the next person. Cheers.
Okay, so good afternoon, sir. I'm Ummul Khair, and this is Cysed on the streets. We are going to talk about data privacy. So, what's your name?
My name is Jimmy.
Oh, nice to meet you, Jimmy.
Yeah,
So, we just want to ask you a few questions that.
Go ahead.
Okay. So, want to know, have you ever, like, do you know anything about data privacy, by the way? Or what do you think data privacy is about?
I cannot say yes and I cannot say no, but to me, what it means, from my own perception,
Yeah.
I think data privacy is, as in something like, as in try and be secretive
Okay.
about your data.
Okay. That's fine. So, I just want to ask you a few questions. So, you tell me if
Right.
you've done any of these things.
Okay.
Okay, so have you posted your account number online or your phone number online for a giveaway? Maybe someone's give you money, so you just posted it online.
Yeah, several
Oh, okay.
on Twitter.
Have you accepted the terms and condition without reading it?
No, I wouldn't do that.
Oh, okay. So have you posted your mom's name or your dad's name to celebrate them for that Father's Day, Mother's Day,
Yeah, several.
or birthday? Oh, okay. So these things basically are things that when you do them, you give your data out to people and it gives them room to track you unknowingly. So for this one, data privacy is telling you to take charge of your data and you should be cautious about the things that you put online.
Okay, are we from henceforth?
Yeah. So I just want you to say to the camera, Happy Data Privacy Week.
Happy Data Privacy Week.
Hi, hello, good afternoon. Excuse me.
Your camera shy. Oh my god.
Time, but Ummul, apparently not many people want to talk about data privacy.
Very true. I'm actually surprised. Like, I actually thought we were going to have a lot of people come to say, I know this about data privacy. I know this about data privacy. But everyone is just like, no.
Probably that's the data privacy.
True. See the information online.
Alright.
Actually.
So probably it's just because it's not the trending topic per se. So probably that's why people
Yeah.
are just a little bit skeptical.
Was it because we're
about
not doing a skit?
Who knows? Probably we're not doing a skit. Maybe we'll change our model, But
Yeah,
we can still actually talk about data privacy to our
That's true.
online viewers, all right? So
that's very true. We got you
we are
guys.
saying take charge of your data as well.
Yeah.
And with that, we're telling you don't just click on
That
accept
link.
and that link.
Yeah.
All right, be mindful of where you actually post your information.
Don't post your family information online.
All right, and don't actually fill forms that you don't know the origin from.
Exactly.
So it might just be used to harvest your data.
And be careful of where you put your location as well.
Yeah, that's true. You're posting something, you don't necessarily need to put the location and
Yeah.
just.
I'm still gonna like the picture anyway.
Yeah, definitely we are going to like the picture. All right, and lastly,
That giveaway that they're telling you to drop your account number for, don't do it.
don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't do it.
So it's just used to gather information. All right. So
Yeah,
stay
there's somebody tracking you right now. You don't know.
safe. All right. So please
Take charge of your data. Happy Data Privacy Week.
Just peace and love.
Peace and love from Cysed.
All right.
Yay!
You can find I don't know what I'm eating there, Sha, but I have a lot in my mind. All right, so stay tuned, man. Right, so since we're able to just talk to only two persons with labored so many rejections, so we decided to embark on an adventurous journey to find another perspective to data privacy. We're trying to look at it from a professional angle